Damn, I'm just munching now. I might not even cook. These pickles. Top Chef! Cooking program tips and tricks, boys. We're doing ramen today. Kentucky Burning Man ramen. Went to Burning Man. Went to a burning. I'm a burner. Went to Burning Man. Made chicken ramen. Told him I was going to teach him how to do it. Here we go. Check. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Ramen. Half an onion. That's like a quarter of an onion. Half an onion. A tomato. I peel mine. I got a tomato peeler. It's a potato peeler. But that's a peeled tomato. You don't have to peel it. It's fine. Spice gang. Curry. Paprika. This is Hungarian. I got it from a food store in Decatur. Protein. What you can get at a burn. I got leftover chicken. Bro, we're gonna be adding this right here. Korean spicy spam. Let me chop this up for you. Let me show you what's going on right now. This is gonna go pretty fast. So first things first, oil in a pan. It's Asian flavored. Olive oil. Vegetable oil. I'm going to go olive oil. Olive oil for flavor. Always olive oil for flavor. That much. We're not cooking with measuring cups here, boys. We're cooking with our ancestors. Garlic. Garlic 2. Garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. 2. Also. 2 cloves of garlic. Oh, look. Daryl and D-Rock are here. Oh, no. I don't know where D-Rock is. Daryl's on fire. So is this oil. Oh, my God. Vegetables beat to bits. Fuck. Vegetables peeled in the oil. Time to peel the meat. Meat is peeled and turned into meat sticks. Heat down to medium. I can't read that. Heat down to medium so you don't obliterate your meat sticks or your onion sticks or your tomato sticks or squares, whatever you cut them into. I took half of mine out because I'm only making one ramen. If you were making 2, you might want to use 1. If you're making 3, you might want to use 1. If you're making 1, you might want to use 3. I'm gonna put this chicken in. Oh, that's the whole kitchen sink. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so the juice this makes constitutes the sauce. Next thing you're gonna want to do is dry seasoning. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Curry. Oh yeah. Paprika if you got it. Oh yeah. Soy sauce. What's that here? Sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Something. Oh, that's a lot. I got the light soy sauce though, so we're sorry. It's not light. It's just brighter, right? It's not fermented as much. I don't know. I took out half this. I took that out because it was a lot of pepper. You can do pepper too. I'm doing pepper. If you got pepper, do pepper. I got white pepper. You can do black pepper. We ain't racist. Secret ingredient, fuck them up real good. Peanut butter. Liquids are different, so a spoon or 2. Oh, nice. We're gonna show you that right quick. Oh yeah, baby. Pea butter, another butter, Oh yeah, brother. Okay, now we get to put the serious stuff in. We got chicken flavor, ramen packet. Water. All the water. Hopefully. Nudes in the pot. You want to put the thing back on high to make the water bubbling. Y'all ever had okra pickles before? Fuck regular pickles, bro. Okra pickles. Do you see the water make the bubble means the pasta getting hot? Oh my god. It smells like chicken spam. Thank you, man. Peanut butter. Oh. Boom. Okay, done. It's been in there a couple minutes. Pow, pow. Show you on the table. Oh yeah, I got my chopsticks, got my crazy Asian spoon, ready to have a friggin' Sam skull. It's so hot I decided to get another water. I need a cold water, it's so hot on my hand. Chicken and spam, chicken and peanut butter ramen, son? Son? With onion? Creamy, dreamy peanut butter. Top Chef, top cooking program. Make ramen, good luck.